am back with a colorful look. This time I added some glitter. This is what I came up with, so make sure you guys stay tuned to see how I got this look. Priming with my LA Girl concealer in Pure Beige. I'm using my Fearless Faces Pure Radiance palette. I'm taking this green shade right here first. Okay, I had to fix my lighting because I feel like I was a little bit too dark. But going back into the same palette, I'm picking up the dark purple at the bottom on an M506. The next color is this pink at the bottom, and for that one I'm using the E18. These swatches right here are from the palette I'm using, and y'all can see like how pigmented they are. I didn't put a primer or anything on my arm. And this is from her Divine Diamond palette that I used in a different video. I'll link it below or above on the top of the screen. And these are some of the glitters from the palette I'm using right now. I'm gonna go ahead and show you the last two colors I'm using. So I'm using the E17 for both of these, but I'm taking this orange and then I'm gonna grab the yellow. Would have been so cute, like a full cut crease, like a winged out cut crease. I gotta practice those. In some weird way, I feel like the pink and the orange mixed. You kind of see like this dark line right here. I had the same problem on this eye. I kind of got it fixed, but it requires me to pack on a lot of orange. I don't know why it does that. And it's not this palette. It does that with every look I do like this that requires so many colors. As far as this kind of harsh line is going on there, I'm going to take one of those brushes I used to blend out my concealer and just kind of tap it up here. I'm going to go ahead and cut my crease halfway. Somebody asked me to do a double cut crease with blue glitter liner. That sounds so difficult. I'm using my Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Foundation in F1. Yes, I'm using foundation. I don't know why I feel the need to say that all the time, because I feel like a lot of y'all already know. But I never know who's watching, so random. But I really love the fact that this mirror has a palette. I love the fact that this palette has a mirror, even though I can't really use it because it'll like block my lighting. But I just love palettes that have mirrors in them. I'm using my Almost Cosmetics glitter pigment in the shade Gold Mine. And I wish she had put the little tops on them with the little holes in it, because this stuff be everywhere. But y'all, this stuff is so pigmented. Oh my goodness. And she not even restocking it. Why I always forget, I be so excited to use these pigments that I always forget to blend my corners. So I'm gonna go back with some orange and then yellow to blend that out. Let me see if I can do that real quick because it's kind of hard to do after you already put glitter down, but I didn't really put it that far yet. Y'all don't get like rainbow with like the pot of gold at the end. That's what I get. On top of this, of course, I'm going to use my duo lash glue to lay my glitter, but I'm taking this gold glitter mix from Glow Glitters, and I'm going to put this kind of like right here. Y'all know how I usually do it, like right where we have like the ombre effect going on, except for this time I did bring it over a little further. For lashes, I'm using my falsified lashes in the style Aisha. These are the same ones I used in my 4th of July look. Oh, I can't wait to have a channel so I can do this. So for my waterline, I'm going to use an M432, and I'm going to smoke out the pink shade that we used earlier. I'm going to grab this highlighter, also from Glow Glitters, and it's in the shade Star. For some reason I was not recording, but I'm taking my Stoney Cosmetics lipstick palettes, and I'm gonna line my lips. Well, I've already lined them with the shade Angie, and then I'm gonna fill them in with the shade Pam. I'm gonna set with my Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray. I really almost died. So that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. If you guys did enjoy this look, make sure you give me a thumbs up, and make sure you are subscribed to my channel for more looks, and I'll see you guys in my next one.